Hello, I'm Mr. Juan and this is Strumming Through the Americas. So today we're going to learn the strumming pattern for Joropito de Tres Notas. Now that we know the chords and the order of them, we're just going to learn the strumming pattern. Let's practice it first. With the G chord, it goes down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So now that you know the strumming pattern, let's apply it to the chords. So it goes G, D, G, G, D7, G, D7, G, D7, G. And that's it. Okay, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.